styrofoam waste takes 100,000 years or more to disappear naturally into the environment, but these mealworms will do it organically. So we'd like to make it into a kind of a spectacle, turning an ecosystem into a visible system.
The Bio-Informatic Digester is a public art installation. It's a mealworm farm, it's a sculpture.
You take styrofoam waste, you throw it in the cube in the center, and you watch those little critters digest it until it becomes essentially garden mulch. Up here is the decomposition clock that shows how long it takes for different materials to disappear naturally into the earth. This chart shows the decay rate of those specific materials, and it's made of a material that also decays. In this case, an engineered living material called mycelium. Mycelium is the #1 replacement for styrofoam. That's why we're using it in this structure. So our team is pretty vast. There was over 40 different people that worked directly on this project for a year and a half. The Public Art Challenge is unique because there's not often a number of ways that artists can get their work out there and communicate directly with the public. We're producing a dialogue, and around that dialogue, people can have conversation about cleaning up, specifically this area, Camden.